Hello guys, today we are going to just unbox and review this TCL MOVETIME Smartwatch. This was recently launched last year, but this is a pure Indian version and it's not an imported one, it's from Amazon. So let's unbox it first. I have already unboxed and used it for around 1 week, and I'm just going to give a detailed review in it. You can see the watch, and I also installed the pre-given tempered glass. So this is the watch. Let's go inside. Inside this we got two box lineups, and here we have the charging dock. It's simple and it's not so, it's just simple, but it has integrated neodymium magnets so that it can easily get attached to the watch without any humble. And we have here is the user manual and some leaflets for using, and also we got the SAR value here. So I'll just show you. I don't know where they have displayed it. In smartphones they will be in the first page itself. See some written paperwork. Okay, so let's just go into the watch itself. Don't want to waste time on reading the booklets. So you can see it has a premium design with an original leather strap. It's in original leather, not a duplicate or Chinese one. It's in original leather. It's a genuine leather, and also it's really good in look. Let's go detail. Here we have the TCL logo over here, the heart rate sensor. It's really good, it's accurate, and we have the docking poles over here. We'll be having two neodymium magnets around here so that attract to it, the model number and some information. So it's an IP68 certified water resistance and dust resistance, so you don't need to worry about water splash, or even in swimming pool you can wear it. Here the power button and the main button here. Let's turn it on. It's okay. Let's start. And I'll just give the hardware information of this. This is a 1.39-inch Super AMOLED display made by AUO company of Korea, and it also comes with a synaptic touch recognition, so it's everything in premium quality. The AMOLED display is so impressive. But the specifications that I received here is it has only 32 MB of RAM and 16 MB of 32 MB of ROM and 16 MB of RAM given to this, so you can't do many things like viewing on maps or something. Viewing images, videos are not possible in this device, but you can just track your fitness levels, heart rate, and many more. You can see the user interface here. It's slightly smooth. Have alarms, weather tools, everything. You can see. And here we have the watch face setting up. Just tap the screen for a while. You will be getting many things, and also multicolor options also available, in which you can select. But I love this one, digital type. And also we having the settings here. The flight mode, Wi-Fi is just used for weather updates, not for anything else. The Bluetooth and the Bluetooth calling function both will be enabled at once, and the sleep mode for just not disturbing you while you're sleeping or just in the office. So you will be having the brightness setup. The maximum brightness is really cool, and the minimum is also useful in the deep black conditions, and the volume controls is also available. You can directly mute the device by tapping here itself, so you don't need to worry about them. And you will be getting the notification array over here, so you need to worry about getting notifications on your smartphones will instantly update you. And here we will be having some of the majorly in the application they have prescribed. We will be getting 20 contacts maximum we can load as a VIP contacts in this watch, but I don't know whether it's lesser or then I can only load up only 15, so I just made them. We'll be getting tools. In tools, we'll be getting two features, that's stopwatch and timer. It's really cool. And at settings, you'll be getting some genuine setting options like gesture. Many of them doesn't know how to operate this gesture and they are complaining on this smartwatch. So let's get, so for the light screen print to see, that's not the only setting. You need to set how the range. If I give low, there may be some low configuration, it may not work. So in medium, maximally it will work, but high 100%, whenever you take your hands in the position, surely it will be working. So I will be showing this by wearing in my hand and operating it. It's so easy to wear, not like other strap bands which I found in the fitness bands. It's not that much so difficult. It's like a normal watch. Here we go. So see, automatically it's waked up. The same way you have to do, so you can make it work. Many other options are there. The music option, you need to connect to a smartphone. I will show a smartphone detailed review later. And the heart rate, let's see how heart rate I have. So for some while it took, and it's showing 74 BPMs normal, so you need to worry about it. And in activity today, I have reached 9,226 steps and 6.48 kilometers. I have burned 438 calories. Oh my god. And we'll be getting the many more information detailedly in which time I did everything else. Actually today I was playing game in my school, so maybe I will be getting such high. It's okay. Everything is well and good, but the only thing is you can't make call without your smartphone, and you can't do anything with without your smartphone. And everyone is saying it's a waste, but for the price of 6,000 in India, it's just cost for 7,000 to 6,000 according to Amazon sales. So it's really cheap because you are getting an AMOLED panel. This same AMOLED panel in China, it's sells around in Indian cost around 4,000 rupees. But for just 2,000 you'll be getting other things like original leather strap, the boxing, and also the charger, battery and motherboard. Only for the display you'll be getting 4,000 rupees. So the main part is the display. In other smartwatch like calling functions or even selling for 2,000, they don't have a good display, and it just don't have this premium design and also water resistancy. Even the smartwatches like Z-Blaze, Display-based Thor and Lemford doesn't comes with a water resistance because they use SIM card slots like that, but this comes with an IP68 rating, so it's really good. I prefer this watch, not that watch, because this watch is enough for a normal man to communicate with his business or anything, because it can connect to the Bluetooth and work with it, and can also connect through Wi-Fi and get information of weather and everything and inform you. It's a personal assistance, but it can't use voice. But in future, really TCL will be bringing some product with voice and artificial intelligence in their watch. So thanks for watching this, guys. This is a normal review. I'll be giving the detailed review with the application later. So please subscribe my channel if you're new to get rid of my channel. And do you know, guys, YouTube has brought a new rules, so we need to achieve the 1,000 subscribers soon. So I have around 178, so I'm expecting more. So viewers, please take care, and I need to run up the YouTube channel for a while because I have spent a lot for this. So please subscribe my channel. You'll be getting regular updates from me, and I'm very sorry that I was not in online for more than 2 months. The reason is I have to see my academic performance also, but this time, as this rule, perhaps I just reviewed this watch because I have already bought it, and I just planned it later. So please subscribe my channel if you are new one, and goodbye guys, and happy night. Thank you.